Hi everyone, I welcome all of you to Geeks for Geeks learning platform, and today we are going to learn about the quantitative aptitude. Okay, so I welcome all of you in this live sessions. Thank you so much for being in the session and just active in the session. Okay, so if you anyone can see me or if anyone can let me know just am I audible or not. Okay, so meanwhile I hope you are guys safe and be at home. Okay, so right now we understand that all the companies are just recruiting, okay, and the most of them are not since the COVID scenario is going on. So most of them are just recruiting on the online basis. So because their online platform has also introduced a lots of things like they have to just take the online examinations, they have just take the things that they are actually coming on the colleges and do things. Okay, while the recruitment process now whole things is just running online, so you need to just do the preparation part on the yourself just sitting at home because there's no safety once you are going outside, and it's a very a difficult situation for each and everyone. So just be safe, be at home, okay, and just be the live classes, that's it. Okay, today I'm going to in the previous session we have already discussed the time and work concept. I took two classes on time and work, and first we have already discussed the normal level questions, in which I just told that how much that the normal questions are coming, which is actually came in the examinations, but sometimes they also give you the difficult questions. Okay, in the first session I discussed the easy level and medium level question, but in the second session I have discussed only the hard level questions. In the previous week I have already covered all these things, so I hope you guys can see over there and find the exact solutions over there. Now in this session, since I found out that once I was discussing, okay, I have already mentioned that in this week I'm going to cover that pipeline system, because pipeline system and time and work both are exactly related to each other. Thank you so much, Karthik, for being in the session. Good evening. And today, I just found out that once I was just going through the previous session, then some of the students were unable to solve such questions, which exactly came that power and indices concept. So today, I just thought like today I'm just because power and indices and the logarithmic, these are some topics which are not exactly taking too much time to solve the questions, but it's very important. These are the immediate steps for solving the questions. So I thought like today I'm going to discuss the power indices concept. Okay, what exactly their formulas and some questions that is based on that concept. So once you have covered the power indices part, then it's very easy for you to learn the logarithmic as well as the simplification, as well as some questions which exactly came in the examination, which is completely based on the power and indices, but not exactly power and indices concept. So you can solve also that one thing. Okay. So now, meanwhile, I'm going to share my screen. Okay, Karthik, just let me know once you can able to see my screen too or not. I hope my voice is audible to you, Karthik. Okay, now I hope you can see my screen. Okay. So the first thing now, the first is I'm going to discuss basically the first formulas of the power and resistance, and after that I will go for the test. Okay. So the question based on this. So the first thing is that this is okay. So the first is that question that is formula number one. Okay. What exactly about this is like a to the power m. Okay. It's exactly written as a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n. Okay. Since there is a multiplication immediately and the base is same. See, this is called our base and this is called our power. Okay. Since base, if the base is same, okay, and is there is a multiplication in between, okay, so we can write this also as a to the power m plus n. Okay, these are just formula you have just learning these formulas since sixth class. Okay, so I don't think like you are not able to understand these things. I'm just revising these concepts. Okay, like same thing you can see this 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4 is equal to 2 to the power, since base are same and there is a equal, this is a multiplication sign in between. Okay, if there is nothing written in the mathematics, suppose if it's written mn, okay, so we can also say that this is exactly like m multiplication by n. It's common sense that we can also write these things. So 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 4 is equal to, since base are same, then power could be added. So 2 to the power 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 to the power 7. This is our 128. Okay. Now next, if a to the power m to the power n, okay, it's like a to the power m again to the power n. Okay. Then in that case, this power will be multiplied to each other. Okay. So a to the power m n. We can also write like that. Okay. So if you're taking an example, suppose I'm just solving this question by two things, LHS and RHS, 2 to the power 3 to the power 2. Okay, and 2 to the power 6. Okay, let's solve both. The 2 to the power 3 is 8. 8 square is, and 2 to the power 6 is exactly how much? It's a 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 8 square is equal to how much? 64. And this is 2 to the 4 to the 8, 16, 32, 64. Okay. So like as you can see, these both are exactly same. Okay. So either you can write this or you can write that too. But this is like in one, because these questions generally used to simplify the questions. I'm not going to use this question to make the questions more complicated. The simplification part, as you can see, this is can be done through this formula. So as you can also see this thing, this 2 to the power 3 to the power 4, it means 3 and 4 will going to multiply each other, 2 to the power 12, and this is equal to this. Okay. Now check for the another one, ab to the power n. Since there is already a multiplication between a and b, so we can also write this a to the power n multiplied by b to the power n. Check this as a 2 to 3 to the power. I can write this 2. I can also write this 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. So check this. This 3 to just 6, 6 to just 6 square is equal to 36. And this is like 2 to the 4, 3 3 is a 9. Okay, 4 9 is 36. It means like this is also valid. You can also write this as 20. I can also differentiate 20 as 2 into 10 to the power 3. Just 2 to the power 3 is exactly 8. 10 to the power 3 is 10 and 1000. This will give you 8000. Okay. Till now, if you have any doubt, just let me know. I'm coming to your chat section. If you have any doubt, just let me know. Karthik, okay, good. Thank you, Karthik. Okay. Now check for the another concept. See this concept. Okay. I'm going to see this concept as this one. Okay. A upon b to the power n. Okay. It's like a upon b to the power n. So we can also write this as a to the power n upon b to the power n. Okay. So this is very thing. Okay. Like if a and b and there is a common power. Okay. So we can also write as a to the power n, b to the power n. Just check this one by taking some example. Okay. So we can write this as 2 to the power 2 upon 3 to the power 3 is equal to, we can also write this 2 to the power 3 upon 3 to the power 3 is equal to 8 upon 27. Okay. So, and this can be also solved like this also, 2 upon 5 to the power 3. It means 2 to the power 3 upon 5 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 will give you 8 and 5 to the power 3 will give you 125. So it's like you have to remember this question. That's why you can, then again, you can able to solve this question. This is very important. Okay. So the formula is very important. Once you are able to solve the, once you are understand the formula, then you can only solve this question. Okay. Check for the another one. A upon a to the power m. Okay. Now the question, now the formula is saying a to the power m upon a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Okay. Now what they are exactly saying, it means like if there we have already learned the multiplication concept. Now it's a division concept. Now you can see this base is our a. In that case, our base is common and which is called a. Okay. And power is changed, and the numerator it's m and in denominator it's n. So its power is like m minus n. Okay. So it's m and n. So in that case, the formula will be a to the power m minus n. This base will be same and this will go upside and will convert in negative. So a to the power m minus n. See this question, if I'm going to take an example on this, okay, 2 to the power 5 upon 2 to the power 3. Okay. So if layman, if I'm going to solve this, this will write 2 upon 2 into 2 into 2. So it's like this will cancel, this cancel. Okay. So it's like 4 will be our answer, right? Or if I'm going to say, if because these are the layman method like we are using, but now if I'm going to running this for the formula, this base is our 2 and we can also write this 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. Okay. So as you can see from both sides, the answer will be same. Either you're taking the formula part or you are taking the layman part. In both cases, answer will be same. You have to choose carefully which exactly answer is correct or not. Okay. Now check another one. A to the power m upon a to the power n, which is also can be written a to the power a n minus m. Okay, now how they are actually doing so? See, this formula is same as this formula. Okay, I have done just nothing. Okay, just tell me one thing. If I have written, if I'm writing 1 by 2, can I write this 2 to the power minus 1 2? It's just like that. Okay, 1 by 2 can be also written as 2 to the power minus 1. It's just if I am writing a to the power m minus n, so it can be also written as this can be also written as a to the power minus of m minus n. It's just like that. Okay, it means like if you are putting negative, okay, then there is a shuffling in numerator and denominator. Okay, so it's like that. Okay, you can take this one in the numerator as well as this. You can take this as the numerator denominator too. Okay, till now, if you have any doubt, just let me know. Since I have just I also can solve this question 2 to the power 3 upon 2 to the power 5. It's like 1 upon base is same. Okay, so if base is same, then you can either take this one as a upward or take this one as a downward too. Okay, I am taking this one as a upward. Okay, see, let me see. Okay, for the better exam explanation, okay, I am taking this one as this. This will give you 2 to the power 3 minus 5. Okay, this will give you 2 to the power minus 2 is equal to, this will give you 2 to the power 1. It means like 1 by 4, right? Okay. Now I am taking this one again, like for I'm just applying this one. Okay, so 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 5, base are 2. Okay, power are changed, so 1 upon, okay, as per the formula a to the power, it means 2 to the power n. Okay, so n minus m, so 5 minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 2 to the power 2, again 1 by 4. In both case, either way you are running, you are just checking any formula, the answer will be always same. Okay, this whole formula is only used once you're doing anything simplification part or anything, then this is very important formula. Now check this one, this is very important too. Okay, this on this the lots of question also ask. It's like if something is written like this, a and n. Okay, so we can also write this 1 by n. See this. Okay, it's like one, it's once it's written like this, it's like a to the power 1 upon n. Okay, or if this a to the power 1 upon n is written, then you can also write this in the root forms, right? So if I'm taking an example on this, suppose if it's written 27, okay, and here it's written 3, so it can be also written as 27 to the power 1 upon 3, or it can be also written as 3 to the power 3 1 upon 3. So this, the answer will be again 3 to the power 3 into 1 upon 3. This will give you answer finally 3. Or if you are saying this, okay, so I can also write this 3 into 3 into 3. So in that case also our answer will be 3. Okay, so in both cases the answer is again same, it's 3. Okay, and this is not like the value of n and a is anything. Okay, it's not like it's any integer. Okay, like it can go for anything. Okay, like it's a positive number. In positive number it could be anything. Okay. Now check this one again. See, same formula, I'm not applying this one in the root format. Okay, it's like once it's given ab and it's n. Okay, so it's like a to the power 1 upon n multiplied by b to the power 1 upon n. Same thing. Okay, if I'm checking this one as like this, it's like 8 into 27, and here I'm writing 3. So by default what will happen, it's like 2 into 2 into 2, and it's like 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so the answer will be like 2 into 3. Okay, I hope you guys understand. This will be 6. Okay, if I'm going to that formula, this will like 8 to the power 1 upon 3 into 27 to the power 1 upon 3. This 8 2q, this will give you 2, and this 3q, this will give you 3. This answer will be again same 6. Okay, so choose any formula, either this or that. Okay, any formula. Okay, either you're going to the layman method or you're just running for any method, the answer will be always same. Now same this one too, this is like a to the a by b to the power n. Okay, so it's like e to the power 1 upon n upon b to the power 1 upon n. Okay. See this one. Okay, this one is quite important. How this become n? Okay, I am just going to derive this one. Okay, so it's like the question is a. Okay, to the here it's n. Okay, and to the power also n. Now I'm going to resolve this one. Okay, so it's like once I'm looking for this, then I'm using for this part, I'm using this formula. So this is like a to the power 1 by n to the power n. Now the power is going to multiply with each other. So a to the power 1 upon n multiplied by n. This n cancel. A to the power a is equal to this. That's why this is value giving us e. The same thing you will find out once you are solving the questions. Okay, and the same thing, if this m or n is not same, then this formula will be converted as a to the power n to the power m. Okay, so this can be also written as a to the power 1 upon n to the power m. Okay, so this is like a to the power m by n, like this. Okay, so if you have any doubt till now, just let me know. I'm coming to a chat section because after that I'm going to start the theory part 2. Okay, Karthik, clear? Okay, now good Karthik. Okay, so now I'm just coming to the question part. Okay, now see this question, try to figure it out, this question, and try to find out what exactly will be the answer. I hope you can see this question. Tell me the answer for that question. Now you have already understand all the concept. Okay, try to figure it out what would be the answer. Meanwhile, I'm also trying to find out the answer. This will give you how much. Let's see. Now I'm not going laymanly. Okay, I'm just running through that, like how exactly. This is exactly written as 16 by 25. Okay, those who are just watching this live classes, just let me know the answer part. Okay, in the chat box. Okay, meanwhile I am also trying to solve this. This 16 by 25, and since it's under root, so we can also write this as 4 by 5. Okay, because I hope you guys understand. This will be 4 and this will be 5. This will is like 4x minus 9. Okay, and this whole to the power is 3 is equal to 64 upon 125. Okay, till now is there any doubt? Okay, now again check this one. I have, since you know this is our base, right? This is our base to the power, again to the power. This power can be multiplied. We have already learned this formula, a to the power m to the power n. We can also write this a to the power m n. I hope you guys just understand this formula. So I can also write this like this, 4 by 5, okay, to the power, and now going to multiply this. So this will give you 4 3s are 12x minus 9 3s are 27 is equal to 4 by 5 to the power 3. Can I write this one like this? Okay, because 4 to the power 3 is also 64 and 5 to the power 3 is, I am just skipping one step. Okay, I hope you guys can also understand, because 64 you can also write this as 4 into 4 into 4, and 125 is like 5 into 5 into 5. After that we can also write this like 4 by 5 to the power 3. So now our base is 4 by 5, 4 by 5, it's same. Okay, so since once the base is same and it's a equal sign, then we can also compare our power. Till now any doubt, just let me know. No? Okay. Now again, since now I'm going to compare the power. So 12x minus 27 is equal to 3. Okay, so by doing the rearrangement, 12x is equal to 27 plus 3. This will give you 12x is equal to 30. So x is equal to 30 by 12. This will give you 10 3 ja 4 3 ja 2 2 ja 5. Okay, so the value of x will be 5 by 2. Okay, those guys whose answer is 5 by 2, Tell me. Coming to the chat section. Okay, 5 by 2. Karthik answer 3. No. Chelsea answer is 5 by 2. Good. Yeah. Chelsea Saxena, it's fine. Karthik 2.5. Okay, now it's correct. Okay. Okay. So, see, can you please let me know one more thing? Like, how much time do you exactly take to solve this question? Exactly how much time? Okay. Because I like to know that how much time it will take of yours. Like Chelsea, Karthik, exactly how much time? Okay. Like, is it taken by more than 1 minute by you guys to solve this question, or less than 1 minute? Because if you're taking more than 1 minute, then it's not good. Okay, because the question I have taken right now, it's not the exact question they have asked in the examinations. This was the part of the question, because once you are finding this value of x, then we are going to solve another question by using this one. Okay, less than 1 minute. Okay. Okay, good. Now check this one. Okay, 5 to the power 2x less than 30 seconds. Okay, just my motive is, question is very easy. Less than 30 seconds, just let me know the final answer. Meanwhile, I am just doing my own work. Okay. Okay. So, okay, now what I'm doing is, see why I have done so far this part. Okay, like why I'm doing so, because I see this, the left hand side of equal part is 5 to the power 2x. Okay, so base is our 5. Okay, if it's given here 25, then I will sure to make this one as a base of 25. Okay, so since base is a 5 to the power 2x. Okay, so I have just do the LCM part, resolve this as a 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So I can also write this 5 to the power 2x is equal to 5 to the power 6. Can I write this? Because 5, 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 to the power 6. Since our base is same, so we can also compare the power. Okay. So 2x is equal to 2x is equal to 6. Okay. So x is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to finally 3. Okay. Since x is equal to 3, then they are asking for x square. So x square is equal to 9. I hope you guys can understand this value of 9. Just see the base and then find the question. Okay. Try to figure out the question by these. Okay. See the base actually. How much of you just find this answer? Okay. Just coming to the chat box, finding this part. Chelsea 14 by 4. No, 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 no. How this could be your answer? Karthik 3. Okay. Guys, what's wrong with this? Is this question is tough? I have just done nothing. Okay. See the question. 5 to the power 2x is equal to 15625. Okay. So 5 to the power 2x is equal to 5 to the power 6. See, 15625. 5. I'm just taking the LCM. 5 3 is 15. Okay. Then 5 1 is 5. 5 2 is 10. 5 5 5 2 is 10. 5 5 is 25. 5 6 is 30. 5 2 is 10. 5 5 is 25. 5 1 is 5. 5 2 is 10. 5 5 is 25. Okay. Then 25 and then 5. Okay. It means that 5 to the power 6. Okay. So I can write this 5 to the power 2x is equal to 5 to the power 6. Base is same, comparing the power. I just tell me, I have mentioned these things now. A to the power m is equal to a to the power n. Okay. In that case, m is equal to n. Simple. Base is same. Okay. So our power could be compared. Okay. It will be equate to each other. So 2x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 by 2. This will give you 3. We have to find out the value of x square. Okay. That's why the value will be 9. Any doubt till now? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Just tell me no. I didn't square part. Okay, Karthik square part. Chelsea, do you have why? How's your answer is 14 by 4? Okay, just tell me, because 14 is not even the nearest part to. Okay, same question. Okay, I am just modifying this question. Same question. Tell me if I have just mentioning this part. Okay, like this, 25 to the power 2x is equal to 15625. Okay, then find the value of value of x. What would be the value? 25 to the power 2x is equal to 15625. Then find the value of x. Same question, just I have just changed this base. What would be the answer now? Tell me. Tell me, guys, what would be the answer for this? As per Amit, x is equal to 3. As per Karthik, 3 by 2. Okay. Let me see. Okay. It's like this is our 25 to the power 2x. Okay. And I can I write this as 25 to the power 3? Is there, can I write this? Before I have written this like this. Okay. 5 to the power 6, I have written this. Can I write this 5 to the power 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, okay, 2 4 6, okay. Can also write this as 25 into 25 into 25. This will give you 25 to the power 3. Since base is same, so 2x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 by 2. Any doubt? X is equal to 3 by 2. Who got the answer correctly? X is equal to 3 by 2. Karthik, good. Amit, not 3. 3 by 2. Okay. Okay. Now, so this question is clear to you guys? Now, this question, check this question. Simplify, just the simplification part, okay? 1728 divided by 7 to 9 to the power 2 by 3 multiplication by 3 to the power 2 upon 144 multiplied by root 5. Just let me know the answer about this. I'll wait for this question 1 minute at least. Meanwhile, I just do the basic calculation. Guys, tell me the answer part. I'm waiting for you guys to find the answer. I'm just doing my own work, okay? So it's like 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, okay, 3, 3, 3. Okay. So for 1 7, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So we can write this 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 3 upon 729 is how much? Okay. It's basically, check for 729 to 729. Okay, it's like 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12, 3 3 is 9. Okay, 3, 8, 1, 3, 27, okay, then 3, it's like 9, and then 3, 3, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 to the power 6, 3 to the power 6, okay, to the power 2 by 3 multiplied by 3 square. Can I write this as 12 square into root 5? Okay, so now see this, okay, this 3 to the power 3, okay, now this can be cancelled. So this can be cancelled, so I can writing this one again as this 2 to the power 6. I can also write this as a 4, it's like a 4. 2 to the power 6 is exactly how much? Anyone can get the answer? Just first let me know about this. Hi Pranjul. Hi Pranjul. Karthik is 4 square root 5 by 3. Okay, okay, okay. 4 square root 5 by 3. Okay, okay. Let me know the answer. Let me see this. Okay, so I'm checking this as a 4. Okay, 4, 4. Okay, so can I write this as 4 cube into 4 cube? This will be exactly 1. And since I'm solving separately, 3 to the power 3 upon 3 to the power 6, I can write this as 3 to the power 3 minus 6. This will give you 3 to the power minus 3, 1 upon 3 to the power 3. So this will give you 3 to the power 3 to the whole 2 by 3. Okay, multiply by this will give you 3 square upon 12 into root 5. Okay, now can I write this as 4 by 3? 4 by 3 to the power 3 into 2 by 3 into 3 square into 12 upon 12 into root 5. Okay, so this will this cancel. Okay, this will give you 4 by 3 to the power 2. This will give you exactly how much? 16 by 9. Okay, multiply by 9 by 12 into root 5. Okay, so this 9 to 9 cancel. Okay, this 4 4 jar for 16 and 3 4 jar. So this will give you 4 root 5 upon 3. Okay, 4 root 5. The answer for this final question is 4 root 5 upon 3. This is our final answer. Those guys whose answer is this, just first mark the answer. Okay, then I'll come into the chat section to find out exactly to whom it can be solved. So 4 root 5 divided by, actually this is 5. Don't just get confused. 4 root 5. This is exactly root 5. 4 root 5 divided by 3. This is our final answer for this question. Okay. Now I'm coming to the chat sections to see which person has solved this question exactly. Now, Pranjal, it's not correct actually. Amit, it's 5. 4 root 5 by 3. Yeah, Karthik, it's correct. Amit, it's not. Pranjal, it's not. Okay. Okay. So it's basically that you have to just, why I have just simplified this, okay? Because I have to find out it's a variable of 2, okay? I can write this as this is the format of 2 and 4, okay? This is the format of 3 and 9, okay? This is 12, okay? Since it's 3 given, that's why I have converted this in not in the format of 9, in the format of 3, okay? And this root 5 is completely away from this, okay? It's a completely apart this thing, that's why I have written those parts. Try to figure it out. Your base part is given in which way, and as well as one more thing that exactly once we are solving that question, okay. So our base is given in which way plus the how we are going to simplify that part also. Okay. Check this one now. This question, okay. Before solving this question, I'm telling you what formula exactly we have. In this question, what format I have just used. First, see this question, then I will come to the, I have already mentioned that part, okay. See in this, which formula exactly used? Remember this formula, this one, a to the power m upon a to the power n. It's also written as 1 upon a to the power n minus m, okay. Remember this formula? I have just, initially I have just mentioned this formula. Only this formula is going to apply on that question, okay, and then we can solve that part. Now coming to the question part, okay. See, this is given here 2a by b to the power 2x minus 4, and here it's given as b upon 2a to the power 2x minus 4. So since base is reversal, okay, 2a by b and it's b by 2a. So here base is actually reverting, okay, it's a reversal to each other. So can I fix this? Okay, can I make this one identical so that this part can be solved? Okay, so what I am doing is, suppose if it's written as 1 by 2 is equal to, okay, 1 by 2, how it can be written as again, okay. So if this one is given, okay, so I can write this as 2 to the power 1 also, okay. This both are same. So what I am doing is 2a upon b to the power 2x minus 4. And can I write this as, tell me how we can write this, b upon 2a. I want to write this as 2a by b. How can we write this? Can I write this like this? Can I write this like this? Just let me know that. Can I write this like this? Okay. Because if you can see this, okay, if I am just solving this part separately, this will give you 1 upon 2a upon b to the power 2x minus 4. Okay. Now this part will go up, and then again this will make you like this. Okay. So b upon 2a to the power 2x minus 4. Right? Okay. So now our base is same, 2a by b, 2a by b. So I can compare our power part. Okay. So this will give you 2x minus 4 is equal to minus of, sorry, minus of 2x minus 4. Okay. So this is exactly like 2x minus 4 is equal to minus 2x plus 4. Okay. I'm taking this part here. So this minus 2x will come this part and make plus 2x. So this 2x plus 2x is equal to 4 plus 4. This will give you 4x is equal to 8. X is equal to 2. Any doubt till now? In this question, any doubt? If you have any doubt, just let me know. X is equal to 2 will be the final answer for if you are going for x. Okay. So just one reversal part, okay. Need to do one reversal. B 2 upon b is equal to b upon 2. Just do one reversal, and then you can solve the question. Okay. X is equal to would be the final answer for this. Just let me know if anyone got the final answer. X is equal to 2. Yeah, Chal says x is equal to 2. Correct. Okay. Amit 8 to. Yeah, Pranjali is correct. Minus 2x plus 4. Okay, so this will give you, yeah, correct. Okay, so let's say it's x is equal to 2. Correct. Amit, it's Amit. No, Amit, it's not correct. Okay, Karthik, answer correct. Yeah, Pranjali, it's correct. 4x is equal to 8. X will be is equal to. Then here x is equal to 2. Okay, now this is a good question, but guys, please just take as much less time as possible, because see this question. 9 by 7 to the power 5x minus 3 to the power 2 is equal to 6561 upon 2401. See, now you're looking this question, okay. Now you can see this question. Now this part, okay, the confusing part is 6561 upon 2401. Okay, this is actually the confusing part. How you're going to solve this, okay. But see this part, okay, because they just don't give any question randomly, okay. There's a relation between the questions, okay. So this is 9 by 7, and since this question is belongs to power and indices, so it definitely it's a kind of a thing like maybe there is either this will be either the fraction of 7, okay, multiplication of 7, and this will be definitely would be the 9, because once it's 9 by 7, then we can compare the base. Here base is actually 9 by 7. This could be the format of 9 by 7. Try to figure it on that way, then you can find the answer. Okay. You guys solve this on your own. Meanwhile, I'm just doing to find out how we can solve this. This is 6561. Okay, I'm going to solve this. So this 3. So how it I'm just checking. Well, wait, Let me see if you can solve this question, then I will solve this. Anyone, guys, just let me know if you have anyone, just solve this answer. Karthik 1, okay. Shiv 2 by 5, okay. Okay. Okay, now I have just got the answer. Now I can solve this. Okay. I'm checking this one as 6561, 6561, okay. And I am just making as 9, okay. So it'd be like 63, okay, 2 left, okay. 9 2 ja 18, 8 left, 9 9 ja, okay. Just like this. Then it would be 9, 81, this is 9, 9, okay. So this is exactly give you 9 to the power 4. Now check for 2401, okay. I am just doing this on the basis of 7, okay, because our base is 7. So on the denominator 7, so 7 3 ja 21, okay. 21 3 7 4 ja 28 2 7 3 ja 21, okay. 7 4 ja 28, okay. 7 9 ja, okay. The 7 and the 7. So now this 9 by 7, I can write this as 5x minus 3, okay, and this completely as written as 2, and this will be also written as 9 by 7 to the power 4. Can I write this? I have just skipped one step, okay. Now again 9 by 7, okay, since this power can be multiplied, okay, so this will be given as 10x minus 6 is equal to 9 by 7 to the power 4, okay. Base is same, then we can compare the power. 10x minus 6 is equal to 4. The 6 will come in this side. 10x is equal to 6 plus 4, okay, so this is like 10x is equal to 10, so x is equal to 1. The final value of x will be 1. Simply just see the question, check the base, and try to resolve the question on the basis of base. That's it. X is equal to 1 will be the answer for this question. Let me know those guys who can understand this question, who can find out the answer. Shiv, it's okay. Pranjal, x is equal to 1. Shiv is x is equal to 1. Amit, 9 by 4, no. Power 4, no. 9 by 7 to the power 4. Okay, okay, okay. Like this. Okay. Got it. Not good. Now see this question. 3432 upon 1024 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 4 to the power 1 by 3 multiplied by 256 to the power 1 by 2. Simplify this question. Any just let me know. 1 minute, at least 1 minute. In 1 minute you can solve this question. Okay. 343 can be written as 7 into 7 into 7. Okay. And that's 1024. Okay. Try to find out the value of this. Okay. So 2 5s are 10. Okay. 12. Okay. 2 25 6. Okay. 2 again 128. 2 64. 2 32. 2 16. 2 8. 2 4. 2 2. Okay. So like it's like a 1 2 2 4 2 8 16 32 32 64. Okay, 64, and then this will be exactly 128. Okay, and 128 into 8, this will give you 1024. So we can write this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So this is exactly 2 to the power 10 into 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2. Okay. Exactly. It's like 1 by 3. And can I write this as 16 to the power 2 to the power 1 by 2? 16 square, 256. Okay. So now the base is same. This will give you 13 and 15. Okay. So it's like 7 to the power 3 upon 2 to the power 15. Okay. It's like 1 by 3 into 16. Okay. So the 7 to the power 3 upon 2 to the power 5 to the power 3 whole to the power 1 by 3. I will just skip one step, guys. Okay. Can I write this as 7 to the power 2 by 5 into 16? I have just skipped one step. Okay. Since this is also 3 and there is also 3, so I will take this 3 as a common, will multiply to 1 by 3. This 3 to 1 by 3 cancel. This will give you 7 upon 2 to the power 5 to the power 6 into 16. This is 7 and 2 to the power 5 is exactly 32. Okay. Into 16. 7. So this answer will be 7 by 2. For this, the answer will be 7 by 2 or 3.5. So both are answers. Okay. Why I configure like this? See, the power is 1 by 3. Okay, that this will definitely going to 777, 1 by 3 cancel, and I just try to make this configured as 3, where I can find out 3 so that this will cancel out. This is 2. So this way, this is our answer. 7 by 2 is our answer. Which guys has got this answer? 7 by 2. Okay, Amit 1 of not Pranjal 457.3. No, not at all. Okay, Amit 7 by, it's a 7 7 by 2, Amit. Okay, that's not Pranjal and Amit, your answer is incorrect. Okay. Okay, so since I have taken already one classes in this, okay, so I will take one more classes in this. But before just doing so, okay, this is actually very important part. And once you are learning about the power or indices, okay, how exactly is like P is equal to A into B to the power T. Okay, it's like this is our constant part. Okay, but it is also constant, but there's a it's the power of a variable. Okay. So anything could be thing, anything is possible over here, like how we are going to do so. Okay. P is increasing, decreasing, it's completely depend on how, if I am saying, okay, if I can say, suppose if I write this equation, suppose if I'm writing y is equal to x to the power 4. Okay. So if in that case, okay, our x is positive, okay, in that case, once our x is positive, in that case, the equation is exponentially, and this will go like this. Okay, it's the exponential equation, then it will be uprising equation. Okay, it will go upward direction. But if in case if x is equal to negative, okay, in that case the equation will be like this. Okay, in that case our equation will be, our graph will be decreasing graph. Okay, so these two are very important, because through graphic, and now in the next session, once you're learning for the logarithmic part, you will get to know that how exponential will work. In that case, once b is greater than 1, it means that b is positive and it's 2, 3, 4 up to infinite. In that case, our graph will go exponentially, as well as p is also will grow exponentially. But in that case, if a b is less than 1, either it will be 0 or negative. In that case, our graph or p will decay exponentially. Okay. So I can say this like if the exponential graph, if you are asking me for the any exponential graph, okay, so I can say this like if anyone is exponentially increasing, okay, so exponential increment, we can take an example for that the COVID situation that we are actually facing right now. This is the actual example of exponential increment. Okay, or if we are saying that exponentially decrease, okay, or decay. So in the chemistry, you have learned that the uranium decay, okay, that carbon, that uranium, that the formula over there, it's written as U-235. Okay, so in that case the decay is also very fast. Okay, so that is the exactly exponential decay. So these both are I'm going to explain in the next session. Okay, because in next session I will come up to the logarithmic part. Then I will make the questions along with logarithmic, exponential, and then finally in that way, like power, surd, and indices. Okay, so in all the concept, because in this examinations they ask the question which exactly include all part. Okay, so till now, if you have any doubt, okay, just let me know. Okay, because now I'm sharing my screen. I'm stopping. So if you have any doubt, just let me know. Because this is all for today's class. If you have any doubt, just let me know. Thank you so much for the session. Okay, because I see the important thing is like once you're solving this session, once you're solving this question, try to just keep the watch in front of you so that you can find out exactly how much time exactly you are taking to solve that part. Okay, so thank you so much, Karthik, okay, Chelsea, Amit, Pranjul. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for being in the session. So tomorrow, well, the same time I will come again. The timing will be same 6 to 7, and tomorrow is the reasoning classes. So I just be participate in that class also. Okay, and try to solve this question, because once you're solving this question within the given time, then exactly you can solve the question in the examination with the same time. Okay. So see you guys on this tomorrow. Tomorrow is also the same time, 6 to 7, and the topic will be reasoning session. Okay. And if you have any doubt in this session, okay, just let me know, and I will solve that part again in the tomorrow session or upcoming sessions. Meanwhile, if you have any another doubt rather than this sessions or any another thing, just let me know and just send this question in the chat box. We can solve this part also. Okay. So this is all for today. Thank you so much, guys. Be home, be safe, and see you tomorrow. Thank you.